What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable automatic Windows updates. If you want to take control over when updates happen, here are two effective methods to disable them. Start by disabling updates using the Windows Services Manager. Search for Services in your Start menu and hit Enter. Once the Services window opens, click anywhere in the list to activate the pane. Then, press the W key to quickly jump to services starting with that letter. Scroll down until you find Windows Update. Right-click on Windows Update and select Properties. In the new window, under the General tab, set the startup type to Disabled. This prevents the service from running when Windows boots. Now, switch to the Recovery tab. For the first failure section, select to take no action from the drop-down. Do the same for the second failure and subsequent failure if available. Click Apply and then OK to confirm your changes. For more control, especially if you're on Windows Pro or Enterprise, you can also use the local group policy editor. Search for gpedit.msc in your Start menu and hit Enter. Once it opens, navigate through the left-hand sidebar and head to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update, Manage End User Experience. On the Manage End User Experience page, find and double-click on Configure Automatic Updates. In the new window that opens, select Disabled and then click Apply and then OK. This policy change stops Windows from automatically downloading and installing updates without your permission. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.